All right, let's get started. If you're here, you're looking to apply for a pardon, and we're going to give you 3 links in the description here to show you how to apply for a pardon. The first one we're going to get to is this one right here. This is on the Alabama Bureau of Pardons and Paroles websites. I'm going to give that link to you here, and this explains how you apply for a pardon. You apply for a pardon by completing the pardon application, linked here. I've got that here. And then also a waiver of liability and authority for release of information, linked here. Okay, you see those? So first you're going to fill that out. You're going to fill your name at the time of conviction, your current name, your address, telephone, email address, race, sex, date of birth, social security number, AIS number, so your prison number, your conviction, whether it's state or federal, the county, and the year, why you're applying for the pardon, the date if you've applied for it before. Then you're going to sign this here and print your name. Here's some instructions that'll give you a little bit more information on how it's going to work. So you're going to complete the pardon application, and you can either email it to this website here, or you can mail it to that website. You can only fill it out for yourself. To be considered for a pardon, you have to wait. You must have either completed your sentence or been on parole 3 years. I'm not going to cover based on innocence upon receiving that. So once they receive your pardon application and waiver, they're going to begin the process. And you're required by law, or required if you want this to work, to fully cooperate in the investigation of your criminal history, personal and social history, and the circumstances of your crime. When the investigation is complete, they'll put it on a docket, and they'll give notification to a victim and officials in the jurisdiction, such as the DA or the police department, and you. How long it takes, there's no answer on how long it takes. It just, you're dealing with the government, so it's not going to go as quickly as you would like. If they grant the pardon, they will either they can grant it in full, they can grant it and restore voting rights, they can grant it and restore some certain rights, such as ability to be on jury, or they can grant it and restore all rights, such as the right to have a firearm. You can't apply within 2 years of rejection. So here's also the waiver of liability. Very simple: name, date of birth, race, pardon application, things like that. You sign it in front of a witness and send it along with the application. Again, you send it to either email it here, or you can mail it right here. And I'll put all of these 3 links in the description.